we're in S Block at TAFE Queensland Skills Tech Acacia Ridge campus in the caravan industry training facility that's been built and renovated specifically for the industry. The courses we do are traineeships and apprenticeships that cover a multitude of units that go towards this industry, and they include things like fabrication tasks, basic electrics, cabinet making, chassis repairs, and lots of the specifics that go into recreational vehicles.
It's definitely increased my skill set. I couldn't have welded before I came here. Now I can weld two pieces of metal together. My drawings were 2D and I've actually learned how to do a bit of technical drawing since being here. It's helping me progress. I've just made team leader at work. Now I can sort of cruise around the factory and do different things that I was sort of pigeonholed before, but coming here and gaining more skills, I can sort of move around a bit more and do a bit more at work.
What we do is we go into workplaces and we offer recognition of prior learning for existing workers.
The RPL systems worked really well for me because a lot of the stuff I could already do. So having the TAFE guys come in, interview you, ask you what, and assess you at the boardroom table of whether you're competent or not, and then you obviously had to provide evidence to show that you could do that, was fantastic for me because I didn't actually have to go and relearn again. Someone recognised the skills that I had and put it on a piece of paper.
What we wanted to do was to have a course where if someone turns up at an industry or an employer, the employer can have confidence that that person's got the relevant skill sets for what they need. So we're hoping that we can just continue to work with the industry to develop a really specific program that meets their needs.